Tina from Short Me Tina here, and I'm interrupting this video to give you a PSA. If you're watching this video, I can conclude you're either a trader or an investor looking to make money in the stock market. If any of those statements are true, then you're going to want to do two things. One, sign up for our free newsletter, as we discuss tips and secrets on how to make money in the stock market. And two, check out our watch list. It's released every Sunday night for free. They contain a handful of stocks I think can make everyone, including you, money. Now back to the regular scheduled program. Hello, this is Short Me Tina from shortmetina.com. I'm going to do a recap for a couple of videos, so bear with me. Starting off is Snapchat, ticker SNAP. Right now what you're looking at is a daily chart dating back to more or less when the stock IPO'd. Full disclosure, I am long Snapchat. I indicated, and I've done several videos about Snapchat, and I indicated as long as we stay in this channel, and this channel is, let's say, $11.50 to around, give or take, $17. As long as we stayed within that channel, things were okay. Fast forward to now, and we're breaking down of this channel that we've more or less remained in for, I want to say, over a year, about a year and a few months, right? So we've been in this channel again dating back to May. We broke here briefly, but we quickly rebounded, got back into the channel, and fast forward to mid-August, and we're breaking down and sitting at 10.11. We actually broke below the little channel that we started, or the little channel that emerged once we dip below this, let's say, this major channel here. So sitting at 10.11, we're actually at all-time lows, and that's never good when a stock is at all-time lows. Not giving up on Snapchat just yet. Let's see how we finish out the week. Let's see if we can rebound, get above that 10.50 mark, and get back into our channel of around $11.50. So caution here, still long, but things are not looking great. But let's give it a little bit more time and see what happens. What else we have here? We have ticker GLW. I have spoken about this for quite some time now. Full disclosure, again, another pick within the premium member community. I'm loving this setup so much. I keep telling everyone about this chart. I'm not sure who's paying attention. It's really kind of flying under the radar, but this is a textbook classic bullish setup in my opinion. Rounding bottom. It took a couple of months for this rounding bottom to complete. Gap up, huge gap on above average volume on earnings, and stock more or less has been consolidating since July, right? And I think it's gearing up for that next move up. So if we bounce around this consolidation area of 32 to 33, I am perfectly fine with that. Even if we break 32, we will still be above that resistance, or we would still be above pre-earnings gap up. So what does this stock need to get going? I think a break over 35 and it's clear skies. I have a target of around $44 to $50. Put the stock on your watch list. I've been pretty spot on with a lot of my picks. You can look back on my Goose call, my Cron call, my TLRY call. I'll do that video in a second. There's been so many, right? So I'm telling you now, GLW, liking the setup, slow moving stock, but once it gets ready to go, I think we can really put up some gains, okay? What else? I talked about, let's do TLRY. What can be said about TLRY, right? Again, full disclosure, this was also a premium member community pick. Stock consolidated, broke above 25, and it's basically been, nothing but an uptrend since then. We're sitting around 89, 86. I did a video yesterday. I was a bit cautious. Believe the stock is overextended. Nothing much has changed. I still believe the stock is overextended. If you're in the trade, remain in the trade. If you're looking for an entry, I think you're going to get a sweeter spot outside of 89, 86. I wouldn't jump in here. Still word of caution, or still cautious with ticker TLRY. Full disclosure, I am bullish in the space, right? I'm bullish on the marijuana sector. I just think this particular stock, ticker TLRY, a little bit overextended. And last but not least, let's go to TRXC. And not a pick in the premium member community, but in spite of that, I am extremely bullish on this stock. Again, This highlighted area here, I did this a while back because it indicated to me that that support, anytime the stock got here, you would get a bounce, and it played out multiple times around here. Most recently, we dipped to around 4 and got a bounce. We closed at 568. Any sustained move over $6, and I think you're looking at an $8 stock. So there's still upside sitting here at 568. Again, I think the stock is going to make another run at 6, and at that point, I think it's going to break free. I'm looking at an $8 print. So that's it. Short Me Tina from shortmetina.com. If you enjoyed any part of this video analysis, do 2 things for me. 1, head on over to my YouTube page at Short Me Tina and hit that subscribe button. Then head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.